everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and if you've never been here before, thanks for stopping by. If you are a return viewer, hey, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for coming by and watching the videos. Today I got to be honest with you and tell you that this is just the reality of being a freelance photographer and trying to do a YouTube channel. My goal is to do a video every single week. One video a week, and I try to do a short every week, so I'm doing one video, one short every single week. I've got a part-time job, I've got a lot of freelance work that I do, and juggling all those things along with all the stuff that you got to just do in your personal life gets a little crazy. And the one thing that in the last month or two that I have been kind of neglecting is my stock photography. And if you watch this channel at all, you know I am a stock photographer. I've talked about it a lot. I've shown you kind of what I do and how I do it. But in the last couple of months, stock photography has gotten completely pushed to the wayside simply because I'm so busy trying to just do life and keep busy and run this channel. Now, I don't regret that at all because, you know, you got to make decisions in life. And stock photography, let's be honest, doesn't pay a great deal of money if you're only kind of doing it part-time. I've talked about that as well. You know, the time that you invest versus the amount of money that you make, it's not phenomenal. But, you know, stock photography is something that I love to do. I'm going to be out taking pretty pictures. I might as well be making some money at it, so that's why I do it. So because I was getting behind on my stock photography, I decided that I was just going to take the day and get caught up a little bit, you know, get back on track with my stock work. So I had to do a lot of naming of some photos and descriptions and keywording. And so I just kind of sat down and started doing it. Get it done, give it a couple of hours. But I also thought, since I'm kind of dedicating this morning and most of the afternoon to some stock photography, I had to do one photograph at least. So I did a quick little setup here in the studio, had kind of a concept photograph that I wanted to do, and I put this together, and I probably spent 30 minutes tops. You know, it wasn't something that I spent a great deal of time, but here's the shot that I did. Now, because I committed most of my day today to catch up with something that I had been, you know, kind of neglecting, that means I didn't put a great deal of thought and effort into this video, but I just wanted to kind of keep you guys updated, let you know how real life is here as a freelance photographer. So the video's kind of short, but I want to kind of end and kind of go out with showing you guys some of the stock stuff that I've been kind of doing over the last couple of months. I take my camera with me everywhere, and a lot of it is just, you know, shots that I do as I go along. That does make good stock photography, but I'll show you those, you know, of course, the money shot that we just did. But if you got comments or questions, let me know in the comment section. I always enjoy hearing from you guys, thoughts that you might have about stock photography, how you kind of handle the time aspect and, you know, making time to do stock. Love to hear about it. But I guess that's it for now. It's a pretty simple video, I'm sure. And I will see you guys in the next one, which will be soon, I'm sure. You guys have a great week.